Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious shrimp tempura sushi. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh shrimp, 2 cups of sushi rice, 4 sheets of nori, and a good quality tempura batter mix. Don't forget the rice vinegar, sugar, and a pinch of salt for seasoning your sushi rice perfectly. Having everything prepped makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Next, let's prepare our star ingredient, the shrimp tempura. First, peel and devine about 12 to 15 medium-sized shrimp, making sure to leave the tails intact for a beautiful presentation. To keep them straight, make a few small, shallow cuts on the underside of each shrimp. Then, dip each shrimp into your prepared tempura batter, ensuring an even coating. Fry them in oil heated to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit until they are a lovely golden brown and wonderfully crispy, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes per batch. Now for the exciting part, assembling your sushi roll. Place 1 sheet of nori, shiny side down, on your bamboo rolling mat. Spread about 3/4 of a cup of seasoned sushi rice evenly over the nori, leaving a 1-inch border at the top. Arrange 2 or 3 pieces of your crispy shrimp tempura in a line across the center, along with any other fillings like avocado or cucumber. Begin rolling from the bottom, using the mat to create a tight, compact cylinder. Apply gentle, consistent pressure as you roll to ensure a firm, well-formed sushi. Finally, it's time to slice and serve your masterpiece. For clean cuts, use a very sharp knife, dampened slightly with water. Slice each roll into 8 equal pieces, about 1 inch thick. Remember to wipe your knife clean with a damp cloth after every 1 or 2 cuts to prevent sticking and ensure neat, precise slices. Arrange your beautiful shrimp tempura sushi on a serving platter. Serve immediately with traditional accompaniments like soy sauce, a dollop of wasabi, and some refreshing pickled ginger for a truly authentic experience. Enjoy your homemade sushi.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.